Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to change your recycle bin storage size. This is great, for example, with people with SSD drives where they have a small SSD drive. You might want to free up a little space on that drive where you're running your main operating system and applications. It's actually really easy to do. You just want to understand the numbers before you go. Just find your recycle bin, right click and hit properties. And there it is. Been waiting for you all this time. As you can see, it's almost always set to quote unquote custom size, which isn't true. If you have multiple drives, a C, a D, you'll have to select the drive one at a time. As you can see, we're using, I don't know, is that 10%? I don't know. Don't make me do math. It could be 1%. It could be 96%. I don't know. Who cares? Not me. All right, so here's what you want to understand. I kind of explain this the best you can. So the number 1024 equals 1 gigabyte. So I would get a little lazy on it. And by lazy, I mean, you just saw my math skills. What I mean is, if I've got 59 gigs on the drive and I say, you know, I want 5 gigs, which I think that's what that means, is 5 gigs, but I want to go to 6 gigs, I would just change it to 6,000. If you want to get a calculator out, if you're a lot smarter than me, you can, you know, add 1024 times 6 and get the actual number. I could probably do it if I had a little extra time. 25, 55. I don't know. I give up. You should have seen my math in high school. Whew. So basically, that allows you a simple way to decide where you want to be without wasting a lot of your time in adding up the calculator. Even though I did do, 20 gigs is actually 2480. 1024 times the number. So, sometimes if I sit down and think about it, I can figure it out. So that's just my personal way. So in this case, let's say it was around 5 gigs, I hope. God, somebody's going to pick on me. And I want to use a larger space because maybe I'm doing a lot with videos, graphics, which is another reason to change your size to make sure you've got enough room if you're just going through gigabytes at a time sitting in your recycle bin. So you could jump that up anywhere you want. So it's up to you. Let's set it to 6. Let's set it to 2. Roughly 2. And you can click apply, but usually just get away with clicking OK. Let's confirm. Yep. So there you go. So there's Major Geek's math skills. Nothing in Major Geek really meant that I was good at math, but that's pretty easy to do, right? So if you want to get the calculator out, knock yourself out. As always, the guide is in the video tutorial, so you can look over my math and my spelling where I missed the word for here. Yeah, we're on a roll today. Feels like Monday. All right, gang. You know where to find the Major Geeks logo right here. He should be popping up. Click on him. Boom. Instant subscribe. Thanks for watching, as always. See ya.